Everyone, Edner here, and for today's video, since alam nagtatanong kung ano yung review center ko dati nung nag-take ako ng board exam or OIC Engine Watchkeeping sa Marina. So yung review center ko guys is kay Pietro ako kumuha. So hindi siya review center kundi reviewer lang siya. So kumuha ko kay Pietro Maximov. So search lang sa Facebook Pietro Maximov, and then it cost me around 1,000 lang yung reviewer niya. So meron ding Technique reviewer 1,000, and then meron ding Atraca by Lady Makinista. So 1,000 din yung reviewer niya. And then if you're to ask me anong magandang review center talaga na marirecommend ko, I have 3 review centers na I can recommend. Number 1 is the Campman, number 2 is Atlas, and number 3 is Cebu Gems. Okay, so itong tatlong reviewer center na to, ito talaga yung nag-ano ngayon sa market. So lahat ng mga passing nila is 100% guaranteed na makapasa ka. But you need to study. Hindi naman pwedeng iasa nyo lang lahat sa kanila tapos hindi ka magre-review, diba? Kaya nga may reviewer para makapag-review. So sa Campman, I don't know if how much yung kanila, pero sa Atlas, I think 20,000 or mababa ba sa 20,000. I don't know. So comment lang kayo dito sa video kung magkano yung sa Campman, Atlas, tsaka doon sa Cebu Gems. And then sir, anong mga surprise questions na lalabas? So mga surprise questions na lalabas, hindi ko siya masasabi kung ano kasi yearly ina-update yan ni Marina. So just be vigilant enough. Review as much as you can 2 times a day, 2 competence per day, and also don't forget to pray. Pray talaga, and then you manifest na makakapasa ka. So sir, may mga surprise questions ba every competence? Yes, meron talaga yan siya. So prepare ka lang, and then around 2 to 3 or 3 to 5 surprise questions. So you need to understand the whole question. And then check nyo yung mga sentences kasi may iba kasi na parang walang comma, same questions pero yung isa walang comma kaya iba yung answer nila. So be vigilant enough to check it for yourself. And also guys, may mga CRP din naman which is free if magbabayad na kayo ng 1,000 kay Marina pag mag-file na kayo ng OIC nyo. So may CRP siya, and then yung CRP is needed siya na i-take. So pwede mo siyang i-skip, pwede mo siyang i-take para makakuha ka ng slot para sa examination. So yun lang, and if you have questions regarding licensure examination, just drop comment and then we'll answer it. We'll tackle it for you. So I hope you have a great day and ingat everyone.